Hello guys! Did you know that Artfly has some really cool brush pens as well? If not, watch this video where I will introduce them to you and show you little tricks on how to use them. The watercolor brush pens come in 24 colors. The ink is obviously water-based, non-toxic and easy to blend. A water brush is also included. It comes in this little bag. When you open it, you can easily pull out the pens in this tray. This is how the individual pen looks like. The color of the ink is shown on it. Now I am going to show you how to use them. For this I am using the watercolor paper by Artfly. First, I am demonstrating that you can use the brush pens for thick lines as well as fine lines for details. You can use them for drawing, lettering, and even painting. When you use them, there are 3 ways on how to create smooth blends. First, you can use them directly. What I mean with that is you use them without adding water. You can color your area with 2 different colors and blend them easily together like I did. The second option is to add water for blending. Color your area but leave the middle uncolored. Then use the water brush to blend the 2 colors together. See how easy it is to activate the ink? The third option is to apply water first. Cover your area with water and then use the pens on top of it. Sometimes the ink will spread out evenly where the water is, and you can recreate the wet on wet technique, which is often used for watercolor art. To create a brighter shade of color, you can add water to your ink like this. That way you can create nice watercolor effects. After it's dried, you can lay another pen on top of it. The ink underneath will slightly reactivate, which depends on the type of paper you use. I hope these little tips will be a help to you while using Art & Fly brush pens. Bye!